Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your person's current feelings towards you and your feelings towards your person. Okay, so we will see what are the obstacles which are coming in between both of you and the next step which you both will be taking towards each other and towards this relationship, plus the probable outcome of the situation. Alright, so let's get started with your reading now. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Do not try to make it your story if you feel that this isn't your story. Alright. So let's see what is going on with my Aquarians and their person. Aquarians and their person. What is going on at present? What is going on with my Aquarians and their person at present, please? What is going on? Okay, so if you want to book a tarot appointment with me, you can DM me in my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there. All right. Wow. Okay, so let's see now. Very interesting. So your energies towards your person is the Seven of Wands. I feel that you are really trying to ignore your person over here, my dear Aquarians. You are trying to block them, you are trying to ignore them. You are basically standing for your own, you know. When you might have just fought because of something, but you feel that, you know, I have to stand for myself because this is not what I deserve. Whatever this person told you or something like that, whatever might have happened between both of you, you think that no, this is not done. I am there for myself and I will stand for myself. You cannot tell me what to do and all these kind of things. You know, you might have felt some kind of dominancy over you, and that is why this thing might have come up for you. King of Pentacles energy. So this person might be a Taurus you might be dealing with, but does not has to be. You feel that this person is really commanding. This person is mature, but this person has something or the other. Always, you know, they always try to tell you. That is the reason of I think the problem. Yes, Seven of Wands again. Yes, you are standing on your part. You're defending yourself. That is what is going on with you and this person right now. Your energy towards this relationship is the Three of Wands. Since, you know, with this person there is always some kind of a fight, but still you want to take things. You have plannings when it comes to this person and this relationship. You know, I feel that this is a relationship where you both might be fighting with each other, but fighting does not mean ending of a relationship. I don't feel like that. I don't see endings, but we have to end sometimes. We have to take some decisions. We have to take some steps for ourselves. You can say for anything like that, because you have strong plans and future planning with this person. You're still waiting for them. It's like they are the one. Either we are fighting with each other, but still you are the one. And that is what is coming up, Aquarians, for your person and your energies towards this relationship as well. Why the Three of Wands is here in Aquarian's energy towards their person? The Moon. Okay, what else? Strong emotions, Five of Pentacles. Strong emotions are there. You feel that they have left you out in the cold, or you might have also left them out in the cold. Something is like that. There is a separation right now, because you are standing for yourself, they are standing for themselves. That is what is coming up. You know, you both have your own egos, or we can say self-respect. That is what is coming up. You both have your answers. You are ready with your answers, they are ready with their answers. That why they did this thing and why you did this thing. So you both have the answers. You both are at separation with each other, but there's strong emotions towards each other. You both miss each other, but still your yourself, your pride and is also important. Yeah. Okay, so their energy towards you is the Emperor card. So let's see why the Emperor is here in their energies towards you. I think they have control in the situation. They are still standing for their beliefs. That is why I just told you that you are standing for your beliefs. They are standing for their. They want to combine again. They want that collaboration again with you. They want to talk it out. They want to mend things, but I don't see that coming. Okay, we have 8 of Cups. See, it's like they are moving away and away from you because they have taken their stand. They want to mend things, but they still are moving away, and they want you to go towards them. They want a communication, but they want you to talk to them. They are not going to talk to you because they do not want to. They do not want that they have to be the ones who will come towards you and who will try to mend things because of their own pride, their own self-respect. That's what is going on with the Strength, and they have made this decision really in a practical way, we can say. A lot of inner strength was required, and that is why their strength is working right now. Justice. They feel that they were being it was unfair of you to behave with them like that, or whatever the situation was. They felt that there was some disrespect kind of a thing in their part, and that is why they are standing on their beliefs and they are moving away because of whatever happened between both of you. Okay, so their energies towards this relationship is the 8 of Wands. They want to communicate, they want to take things to the next level, as you are also planning. So with the relationship, you both are at the same page. You both want communication. You both have plans together, but in terms with each other, you are not ready to talk. See, 10 of Pentacles. They want a happy family. They want a marriage with you, but it's looking like until and unless no one will communicate, how will this thing happen, right? Okay, so 9 of Swords is there in their energy for the obstacles. 9 of Swords. What 9 of Swords is here in the obstacles of my Aquarians? Sorry, in your energy for my Aquarians. Page of Swords. 4 of Wands. What else? And Ace of Cups. Okay, so this obstacle could have been a marriage, or could have been a new relationship for some of you. It does not has to be a relationship. It can be a new like your parents tell you like this is a perfect match for you, just go and talk to this person so and so. So you might be talking to someone like in online stuff, might be only for some of you, so take what resonates. For some of you, it also means that you both are trying, you both are even stalking each other in the online social media platform, somewhere like that. You both are watching each other, but your hands are tied and you cannot do anything. So the obstacle is over here is the communication is the obstacle for you, which is coming up. You want to talk to this person, you want to talk to them about marriage and stuff as well, but you cannot. That is the obstacle, because you have got something, you have your pride, and that is the obstacle in the relationship which is coming up. Their obstacle is the 7 of Cups. Either they are into too many things or they are exploring other options. Let us check what is going on with them. 7 of Cups. Why the 7 of Cups is there in my Aquarian's person's energy? 7 of Cups clarified by 7 of Swords. See, they are very confused kind of a personality, I would say. They have some other thoughts in their mind. They are trying to sneak away, they want a communication, but they want it from you. They do not want to communicate. They do not want to take the first step, first leap. They want you to do that. They are not going to do, and that is the obstacle which is coming up. And yes, all the 7s, 7 7 7. Yeah. They might be, even for some of you, they might be even traveling to some place, for some of you only. um, they have other thoughts in their mind, you know, in regards with career or stuff. So that is why they have other plans. They are always too busy, something like that as well for some of you. So that is the obstacle for them in this relationship. The devil energy is here for your decision, your action taking. What actions are you going to take towards your person, Aquarians? Two of Swords, 3 and 4 of Cups. I think the communication, because they want that you have to communicate, I think you also feel that they need to communicate to you. So that is why when it comes to your communication or your actions, I don't see any actions you are going to take. You are just waiting over there. You are sitting to accept the offer which might come towards you, and for some time it's a no from your side. You want a communication, but you want a healthy communication. You do not just want to, okay, so let's get back together. No, you want something healthy. You want that whatever happens again and again. So this is kind of a cycle which always happens with you, Aquarians, and that is why, although there is strong attraction towards each other, see, you are very strongly attracted to this person. You cannot let them go, but because of your pride, because of your self-respect, you will not accept this person again the way they did to you, the thing which they did to you. It's really hard for you to accept that. And their energy, their energies towards you, their what are their steps which they are going to take towards you. 10 of Cups, very beautiful card, but let's clarify first. Why 10 of Cups is here? The Fool, 8 of Wands, and the Tower. They want to take a leap of faith when it comes to you. They want to communicate. I think they will do something. They will, because with the 10 of Cups and the Fool and the 8 of Wands energy, but with the Tower energy, it's like if they will communicate as well, it will be a big fight again with both of you, because they have their thoughts inside them till now. Okay, so it's like it does not, you know, if we do not talk to each other for some time, it does not mean that, you know, all that problems are vanished. No, in fact, they pile and pile up more, to such an extent that when you want to clarify the things, it becomes like, oh my god, what just happened again? We were here to clarify, but all of a sudden what happened? If you want to do some clarifications, do it after, especially after 11th of June, and till 22nd June avoid to talk, because of the Mercury retrograde also is happening. So do not try to communicate. Why I'm saying 11th June also? Because the solar eclipse is going on, and this is not a good time for communication. Alright, and Mercury is also in retrograde, so that means Mercury is in the shadow period right now. Mercury is the planet for communication, so try not to communicate, try not to mend things. Okay, so because the more you will try to mend things, the more it will just separate. Okay, so with the 10 of Wands and the overall outcome, probable outcome of the situation with the 10 of Wands, why the 10 of Wands is here with the 6 of Swords and Ace of Swords. I think there will be a communication, definitely 6, and the Lovers at the deck, at the back of the deck. So I think that there will be a communication, definitely. It will be a slow communication, but the things will be clarified between both of you. Whatever this thing is, there will be a lot of heaviness from both of your sides. You both will feel a strong heaviness. You know, it's really hard to say who will contact, because you both are at the same page, and you both are like, you know, because of something or the other, someone will communicate. I think the more is your person will communicate towards you, but the clarification is going to happen. It will happen. So do not take this thing in, like, you know, do not make yourself so much worried, because there are some sleeping issues coming up for you, Aquarians. So do not make yourself so much enter in so much of anxiety that it might hamper your health. Alright, so that is all from my side, my dear Aquarians. I hope that helps. So we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.